Hi children, in this video we are going to discuss about the one of the important topic in 9th class, that is what is speed and what is mean by velocity. Clear? What is the speed and what is the velocity? Children, before going to watch this video, up to now you didn't see previous videos like distance, displacement and vector scalar definitions. So I made two videos for distance and displacement for one and vector and scalar for one video. So you must watch them. After watching those two only, you must watch this video. Clear children? So children, what is the speed and what is the velocity? We are going to discuss the topic in this video. Watch the video up to last. Children, on board we have definitions. First thing is speed. Speed means that distance covered by the body per unit time is called speed. Distance covered by the body per unit time is called speed. So speed is equal to distance by time. Clear? Distance covered by the body per unit time is called speed. And displacement, velocity. Velocity is what? Displacement covered by the body per unit time is called velocity. Velocity is equals to displacement by time. Clear? So these are the definitions and formulas for speed and velocity. Clear? Distance covered by the body per unit time is called speed. Distance covered by the body. To understand that, I will give examples later. Here rate of distance is called speed. Clear? And to understand that, here I am giving one example for you children. The rate of distance is called speed, or the distance covered by the body in unit time is called speed. For example children, here we are taking now 500 meters distance. Here boy A is there and just beside him another boy is there. Clear? So we are conducting one running race. Two boys are going to participate in that race, boy A and boy B. Clear? The boy A covers 500 meters distance in 5 seconds, and boy B covers the same distance in 10 seconds. Clear children? For example, we are going to conduct one running competition between the two boys A and B, and there is some flag, it is there, and it is the pole. And in that competition we will reaches and touches that particular pole. We can do that one first. He is the winner. That is the competition. Here boy A and boy B both are started at the same time, but within 5 seconds only the boy A can reaches the target, and after 10 seconds the person B, the boy B, can reaches the target. Then who is covered that particular 500 meters very as early possible means A, and he was covered 500 meters in 5 seconds. Then among these two, who has more speed, who run with more speed? AB దగ్గర AB అనే వాళ్ళిద్దరూ ఒక రన్నింగ్ రేస్ కాంపిటీషన్ కండక్ట్ చేసాము. B అనే ఫ్లాగ్ని టచ్ చేయాలి. ఎంత టైంలో టచ్ చేస్తే, ఎవరు ముందు టచ్ చేస్తే వాళ్ళు విన్నర్. అది జనరల్ కాంపిటీషన్. ఇక్కడ A అండ్ B ఉన్నారు. డిస్టెన్స్ మాత్రం సేమ్ తీసుకున్నాం. ఇక్కడ ఏమైంది 5 5 సెకండ్స్లో ఏ అనేవాడు రీచ్ అయ్యాడు 500 మీటర్స్ని, బి అనేవాడు 10 సెకండ్స్లో రీచ్ అయ్యాడు. రీచ్ అయినప్పుడు ఈ ఇద్దరిలో ఎవరు ఎక్కువ స్పీడ్తో పరిగెత్తారు అంటే ఏం చెప్తాం? హౌ వీ కెన్ సే? సింప్లీ we can go with the formula. Speed is equals to distance by time. Distance by time. Speed is equals to distance by time. Here for both 500 meters is the same target. That's why in this case distance is constant. Distance is constant. Then what you have to say? Speed is inversely proportional to time. Speed is equal to distance by time. Here in this example A and B must be covered same distance 500 meters. That's why here we are going to take distance is constant. Distance is constant. Then what you have to say? Speed is inversely proportional to time. Speed is inversely proportional to the time. That means when the time is more, speed of the person is less. Clear? Here the person B can take more time because A taken only 5 seconds, B is taken 10 seconds. That's why in this case time is more. That's why the boy B has less speed, inversely proportional. Clear? And for the boy A, he was taken less time. That's why he has more speed. So in this way you have to observe that. Now if you want to find out the speed of these two fellows, then you can go for the substitution of formula. Speed of person A is what? Distance by time. What is distance? 500 meters. By time is what? A was taken time is 5 seconds. That means what? 100 meter per second. That means boy A is covered 100 meters in 1 second. And now children, speed of B, that is what? 500 by 10, that is what? 50 meter per second. Children, this is also example for average speed. We will discuss in the coming next video. So children, speed of A is what? 100 meter per second, and speed of B is what? 50 meter per second. That's why A is the winner of the game. So in this way we will find out the speed. So children, what is the speed? The distance covered by the body in unit time or per unit time is called speed. And the rate of displacement is called velocity. You have to observe the difference, children. The rate of distance is called speed. Rate of displacement is called velocity. Clear? That's why here what I am saying here, 500 meters in 5 seconds. So he was covered a distance of 500 meters in 5 seconds. That's why we are talking about the distance in the case of speed. Clear, children? So I will give another example for you. In the previous example, what I told you, speed is equals to distance by time. When distance is constant, what we write? Speed is proportional to 1 by time, inversely proportionality. Clear? And now here I am going to take here speed is proportional to distance. Here when time is constant, here time is constant, since time is constant. So here my aim is to say simply speed depend upon two factors, distance and time taken. Distance and time taken. What we told first, what we taken first here children? Speed is equals to distance by time. Then here what it is? Distance is constant. Distance is constant. When distance is constant, there is some inversely proportionality between these two. When time increases, speed decreases. And when time decreases, speed increases. Inversely proportional. When time is more, speed is less. When time is less, speed is more. Clear? And now, second case, speed is proportional to distance. Speed is proportional to distance. So here children, we are taking again same example. Two boys are there. One boy is A and one boy is B. Clear? So they are started to run at a simultaneously. They started running competition simultaneously. Here after 5 seconds, A covered 50 meters distance. Clear? And now B covered 100 meters in same time, 5 seconds. Clear? Speed is directly proportional to distance when time is constant. So here we are given the same time for both boys A and B. Both boys are there. One boy is A and one boy is B. Here the competition is what? Among these two we can go for more distance in the same time. Clear? ఇక్కడ ఇద్దరు అబ్బాయిలు ఉన్నారు, బాయ్స్ ఉన్నారు. ఈ ఇద్దరు బాయ్స్కు కాంపిటీషన్ ఇస్తున్నాం. వాళ్ళకి ఇచ్చే టైం ఎంత మనం? 5 సెకండ్స్. ఈ 5 సెకండ్స్లో వాళ్ళు ఎంత డిస్టెన్స్ ట్రావెల్ అవుతారు, అది కాంపిటీషన్. సో ఇచ్చినప్పుడు ఏమైంది? 5 సెకండ్స్లో ఏ అనేవాడు 50 మీటర్స్ కవర్ చేశాడు. నెక్స్ట్ బి అనేవాడు 100 మీటర్స్ కవర్ చేశాడు. లేదా 5 సెకండ్స్ అని నమ్మవద్దు కాదు, మీరు 5 మినిట్స్ అని తీసుకోండి. యాజరేష్ 5 మినిట్స్. 5 minutes. So ikkada 5 minutes and it is 50. Here now 100. Time is constant. In this case what it is? Time is constant. 5 minutes లో ఒకడేమో 50 meters వెళ్ళాడు, ఇంకోడేమో 100 meters వెళ్ళాడు. సో ఎప్పుడైతే టైం కాన్స్టెంట్గా ఉంటుందో అప్పుడు ఎవడైతే ఎక్కువ దూరం ట్రావెల్ చేశాడో వాడు స్పీడ్ ఎక్కువ ఉన్నట్టు. క్లియర్? Speed is proportional to the distance. Speed is proportional to distance when time is constant. For both boys we gave same time. Then who covered more distance, then he has more speed. That's why among A and B, B has more speed. So in these two examples what we observe children? When time is constant, then the boy who can covers the more distance, he has more speed. When distance is constant, then among these two boys who can reaches the target first, he is the winner and he has more speed. Clear? సో ఎప్పుడైతే మనము ఇక్కడ చూడండి సేమ్ ప్రీవియస్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్లో ఏమన్నాము, వాడిద్దరు ఒకే చోటు ఉన్నారు, ఇక టార్గెట్ ఉంది, ఫ్లాగ్ ఉంది అని చెప్పాను. సో అప్పుడు ఎంత డిస్టెన్స్ ఉంది మధ్యలో? 500 మీటర్స్ ఉంది. 500 మీటర్స్. సో ఏబి తీసుకున్నప్పుడు ఈ 500 మీటర్స్ని ఏ అనేవాడు 5 సెకండ్స్లో రీచ్ అయ్యాడు, బి అనేవాడు 10 సెకండ్స్లో రీచ్ అయ్యాడు. రీచ్ అయినప్పుడు ఏ అనేది విన్నర్గా ప్రకటించారు. ఎందుకు? 5 సెకండ్స్లోనే 500 మీటర్స్ డిస్టెన్స్ని ట్రావెల్ చేశాడు. సో ఇక్కడ 5 సెకండ్స్ తీసుకోండి, కానీ ఇది లేకుండా 5 సెకండ్స్ అనుకుందాం. సో మీ ఇష్టం, 5 సెకండ్స్ అయినా 5 మినిట్స్ టైం అయినా, ఇద్దరు ఈక్వల్ టైం ఇవ్వాలి. సో 5 సెకండ్స్లో 50 మీటర్స్, ఇక్కడ 100 మీటర్స్ని 5 సెకండ్స్, 5 సెకండ్ 50 మీటర్స్, 5 సెకండ్ 100 మీటర్. సో ఈ సిచ్యువేషన్లోనేమో టైం కాన్స్టెంట్గా ఉంది కాబట్టి ఎవడైతే దూరం ఎక్కువ వెళ్తాడో వాడికి స్పీడ్ ఎక్కువ ఉందని అర్థం. ఇక్కడ డిస్టెన్స్ కాన్స్టెంట్గా ఉంది, టైం మారుతుంది కాబట్టి ఎవడైతే తక్కువ టైంలో టార్గెట్ రీచ్ అవుతాడో వాడికి స్పీడ్ అనేది ఎక్కువగా ఉందని చెప్తాము. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ద సింప్లీ అబౌట్ ది చిల్డ్రన్. స్పీడ్ కెన్ డిపెండ్ అపాన్ ద డిస్టెన్స్ అండ్ టైం. Clear? The speed may be decided in these two ways. క్లియర్. స్పీడ్ మనం ఈ విధంగా రెండు రకాలుగా అంచనా వేయవచ్చు. అర్థమైందా చిల్డ్రన్? సో నౌ వి గో ఫర్ velocity. What is velocity? So I already gave one definition. What is that? The displacement covered by the body in unit time or per unit time. The displacement covered by the body per unit time. That should be what we call velocity. Or simply we have another definition, the rate of displacement. The rate of displacement of a body. The rate of displacement of a body. The rate of displacement of a body is called velocity. The rate of displacement of a body is called velocity. So, or we have another definition. What is that? The displacement covered by the body in or per unit time. So that's what we write, children. Velocity is equals to displacement by time or time taken. So these are the definitions for velocity. The rate of displacement of a body called velocity. The displacement covered by the body per unit time is called velocity. So this is the definition of velocity. Children, must you have to know about what is the difference between speed and velocity. So let's go for that. Children, already I explained in previous videos. Here, look here. Speed is a scalar. And velocity, it is a vector. Speed is a scalar, velocity is vector. I already explained about the velocity, vector and scalar. Here, children, scalar means that should be having only magnitude. Here vector has magnitude and direction. Clear, children? So here in this you have to observe, speed is scalar. That means what? It is having only magnitude. Velocity means what? Vector quantity that has both magnitude and direction. Clear, children? So to understand that, I will give one more example, children. Here, very simple example. Here, bus is started from this point. For example, here we are saying now Hyderabad. It is went to some stop here, and after that it is coming like this and went like this, and that should be coming like this. Some, I think, Hyderabad, Siddipet, next Karimnagar, next Godavarkani, like this. This is the vehicle is started at this location of Hyderabad. This is the route map of bus is moving from Hyderabad to the Godavarkani. Clear? So then you can path follow like this. Now that path is nothing but here distance covered. That is what we call speed. What is that? Speed. So for example, here distance is covered is, I am saying now 300 kilometers. And within the time of 3 hours or 4 hours, anything, some 3 hours we are taking. A bus is taking the time 3 hours to reach the Godavarkani from Hyderabad. Then what is its speed? So 100 km per hour. 100 km/h. This is about the speed. And now children, if you can join these two, now it is the displacement. What is that? Displacement. Now the displacement covered is what here? Starting point, and this is the final point. A straight line joining these two, that should be what we call displacement. That's why here velocity is equals to displacement by time. Children, if the bus is starting from Hyderabad to Govardhan in a straight line path, now it is velocity. Clear? And after that the bus is moving in this path, now that is speed and it is velocity. So in this case it is the displacement and this is the distance. So in this way, according to the path, we have to decide that is the distance or displacement. If we can take distance, that is the speed. If we can take displacement, that is velocity. So that should be depend upon the path followed by the body or bus. Children, clear? And children, here I will give one more example. Children, here two boys are standing at one position. And that is I am saying starting point, and it is the final point they want to reach. So here the boy B and boy A. Boy A is from this point, he was moving like this. Clear? And the boy B is moving in this path. Clear? I am saying now, so it is O, it is X, OX. Now O, this is C, this is D, this is E, and this is F, G, H, X. Clear? So this is the path followed by the boy A to reach from O to X. Clear? Now OX, here path followed by boy A, that is what nothing but distance traveled by the A, that is what O, C, D, E, F, G, H, X. This is the path followed. Clear, children? And what is the path followed? It is nothing but straight line by B. What is that? OX. So then in this case, A has speed. What right? Speed of A. ఏ అనేవాడికి అప్పుడు ఉండేది ఏంటి? స్పీడ్ అంటాం దాన్ని. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? డిస్టెన్స్ బై టైం అంటే ఏమవుతుంది? OCDEFGH బై టైం. సో వాడు ఎంత డిస్టెన్స్ ట్రావెల్ అయిందో దాన్ని మనం ఆ డిస్టెన్స్ తెలిస్తే ఆ వాల్యూ ఇక్కడ రాయాలి. ఎంత టైం పట్టిందో రాస్తే అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? దట్ ఈస్ స్పీడ్. అట్లా కాకుండా ఇప్పుడు వెలాసిటీ. సో ఏ అనేవాడికి ఉన్నది స్పీడ్ అవుతుంది, బి అనేవాడికి ఉన్నది వెలాసిటీ అవుతుంది. వై? బికాస్ OX is the displacement. That's why velocity of B is, what is that? OX by time taken. So ఇది డిఫరెన్స్. మనము ఇలా సో మెనీ పాత్స్ ఉన్నప్పుడు, సో మెనీ డైరెక్షన్స్ ఉన్నప్పుడు విల్ కన్సిడర్ దట్ ఈస్ ద డిస్టెన్స్. అప్పుడు విల్ కన్సిడర్ స్పీడ్. అట్లా కాకుండా OX అనే స్ట్రైట్ లైన్ పాత్ ఉంది, అప్పుడు మనకి తీసుకునేది ఏమవుతుందంటే వెలాసిటీ అవుతుంది. Clear, children? So from this figure, what you have to say, children? The distance is more than the displacement. ఈ డయాగ్రామ్ ఏమవుతుంది? డిస్టెన్స్ ఎక్కువ ఉంది, డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ తక్కువ ఉంటుంది. కాబట్టి డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ ఈజ్ ఆల్వేస్ షార్టర్ దాన్ డిస్టెన్స్. షార్టర్ దాన్ డిస్టెన్స్. సో డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ అనేది ఇక్కడ చూడు, ఓటు ఎక్స్ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ ఇలా వెళ్ళి ఇలా రావాలి. సో అప్పుడు డిస్టెన్స్ అనేది ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది. సో మనం డిస్టెన్స్ని కన్సిడర్ చేస్తే ద రేట్ ఆఫ్ డిస్టెన్స్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ స్పీడ్, rate of displacement is called velocity. So in this way we will find out the speed and velocity. Okay now children, that is the difference you have to observe. Speed is the scalar quantity, velocity is the vector quantity. Okay now children, now here but there is one similarities. There is similarities between our common points for speed and velocity. Common point for speed and velocity. Children, what did I write? Speed is equals to distance by time and velocity is equals to displacement by time. Displacement by time. Children, both are first common point is both are having same units. Both are having same units. That is in CGS, centimeter per second. In SI, meter per second. Clear? Speed and velocity both are having same units. What are those? In CGS, centimeter per second. In SI, meter per second. These two are the units. And now children, second similarity. I already told you in previous videos. In straight line path, distance and displacement both are equal or same. In a straight line path, both are equal, and in the same manner in straight line motion, or linear motion, in straight line motion, speed and velocity both are equal. Speed and velocity both are equal. So children, this is the information about the speed and velocity. So that's why you have to watch the video up to last, and you have to check. If you have any doubt, just go for back and check it once again. Okay now children, we will meet in the next video with some other interesting topic. Bye, take care.